Happy New Year, everybody. This is Jimmy with another LEGO Build with Toy Surprise Daily. Today we are building the LEGO Technic Desert Racer. This is a really cool build. It's got huge wheels, and the cool thing is you can pull it back and let it go, and it's gonna zip across and fly across your table and hopefully not break anything. It's really sweet. It's got a lot of stickers as well, and stickers, woo! Actually, stickers are really hard. I always get really nervous when I put stickers on stuff. Either way, it's gonna be a fun build, so let's get going. Alright, before we get building, LEGO has some words of advice. Don't crimp anything, because then it makes little lightning bolts and it's not good and it could hurt your LEGO. So make sure there's just a little bit of space when you have moving parts. Alright, let's get building. So a unique part of this LEGO is that we actually have string here, and what we're going to do is just make a very simple loop around this. We can actually do this off of it as well. I'm going to tie a little knot. Tighten it up. And then just complete it with another mini square knot. And then we're going to twirl it up. Alright, so now that the Desert Racer is built, we need someone that can sit inside. So to make that happen, we're going to be opening up Series 10 of the LEGO minifigures. The hunt for Mr. Gold is still on. If Mr. Gold does pop out, I will be very happy. But lots of these other figures are really great. Let's see if we can get the sad mime. Or I just suppose the mime. Or, you know, the Gorgon is pretty cool too. And we got... I think we got the paintballer. Nice. Well, you know what? The paintballer is also doing lots of extreme stuff, so it's only fitting that he would also be in this sweet monster truck Desert Racer. So after a hard day of paintballing, we're gonna put the paintballer with his green paint, by the way, inside the green Desert Racer. How fitting is that? And he is going to ride. Anyway, this build was super fun and super cool. Technics is always a blast to build, and the best part about this whole thing, are you ready for this? You ready? Wind it up and let it go. And the cool thing is you can actually wind it up a lot by holding it and just keep going back, and it will rocket even faster every single time. Alright, that does it for today's build. If you guys like this, you're going to be excited to know that we're doing lots of Hot Wheels-based content this year. We're going to be building tracks, sending cars down them through loop-de-loops, off of jumps, and all sorts of really cool stuff. So make sure you subscribe to Toy Surprise Daily, and you won't miss any of the action. So until next time, see ya.